My name's Tom Ron. I'd like to share with you some of the things that we're doing on the front end of a cutting tool purchase that'll help programmers program more effectively and efficiently and condense the time that it takes to get the cutting tool assembly into the manufacturing technologies that they're utilizing, whether it be CAD/CAM, verification, or tool management. For example, here I have a tool holder, a shell mill, and some inserts that a programmer may have ordered from Iscar, and now the challenge becomes, how do I get this item or these items put together into a CAD/CAM system or the verification system so that they can verify the tool path and that there's no collisions or anything like that before they go into the actual machining process. So let's go into an example that shows how we're building tool assemblies quicker and making the programming process more efficient. Okay, so what we have here is what Iscar has called IQcloud, and it's a way to transfer or communicate our data into an app that allows you to quickly build an assembly, moving through a process of selection based on operations, whether it be groove turning, milling. You can quickly select from items that have been populated out on the cloud. So you can see that we have a list of items that we can quickly look through or filter as needed. For example, here I have many different types of face mills that Iscar offers. So how can I condense what I'm looking for to find the right tool? Let's say I know the tool diameter that I want, so I can filter by diameter. And let's say I'm looking for a 2.5 inch. So now my selections have been condensed to 2.5 inch only, and you can see the list has been reduced to 2, and I can select that tool. And you see that you have now a solid model on the screen in which to build from. And now you also have adaptive items, whether it be holders or inserts, that go along with that tool. So the software is leading you down the path of correct selection. Now you have a list of holders here that go with that particular tool. And the system, as you can see, has assembled the shell mill with the holder as needed. Now we'll move on to selecting an insert. So we have a number of inserts to choose from, but let's say you want to refine your selection and you know the material that you're choosing. We can go to the particular material, select that, filter, and now it's leading us down the path of choosing the correct insert for what we're doing. We'll go in, we'll select an insert, and expand the options. There's multiple grades that are available. We'll choose that. And now you can see that quickly we have a full assembly which can be used to export into the software systems that we use on a day-to-day basis. Now we have a tool assembly, and what can we do with it? So if I add the tool to a job, which allows me to have new features, I can go through, I can send a job via email within my corporation or to somebody else using this IQcloud app. I can download reports, spreadsheets, PDFs, and then I can also go to export job, which provides me with the ability to export the assembly that I've built into the software that I want to use. And here's a list of the current partners that we have available to export data to. In the future, we're going to be doing a lot more development with this tool, the IQcloud. For example, you may be able to look at whether or not this tool is in a warehouse after you've built it and know that you'll have the right tool in the right place at the right time. Watch for the new innovations from Iscar that'll help you get to the metalworking at your machine quicker in the future. Thank you.